everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to solve 5 SQL queries. So my first query is write a query to display the name of those students that are between the age of 17 and 20. So here is my so I have a student table, and in the student table I have column student number, student name and age. So this query is saying you have to display the name of those students that are between the age of 17 and 20. So for this I will write select star from students where age between 17 and 20. So now I will execute this query, and here I got the data. Here I got the student detail whose age between 17 and 20. 17 and 20. So my second query is write a query to display all of those students that contains the letter CH in their name or their name end with the letter ND. So for this we have to use regex extract function. So for this I will write query select star from students where student name so in here I am using PostgreSQL. So in PostgreSQL the syntax of regex XP is tilde. So here I will use this function, and my query is saying like student that contains the letter CH, in their name or their name end with the letter ND, or their name. For or we use pipe symbol, and end with the ND, so it should be end with ND, and for end we use dollar symbol. So this is the how we write the query. So let's execute this query and see the result. So here I got the student name which contains CH in their name and CH their name or their name end with ND. So now my third query is write a query to display the name of those students that have the letter AE or PH in their name and are not 20 years old, that have the letter AE or PH in their name. So for this I will write select star from students where student name and here I will use regex extract symbol, and it should contain AE or PH. It should contain AE or PH and are not 20 years old, and their age should not equal to 20 years old. So now execute this query and see the result. So it gave me the student name whose contains CH or PH in their name and that are not equal to 20-year-old. So this is my fourth query. The student must not be older than age 20 if their student number is either between 3 and 5 or their student number is 7. Your query should also return student older than age 20, but in that case they must have a student number that is at least 4. So for this we will use or and AND logic operators. So here I will write select star from students where, so my first condition is saying student must not be older than age 20, so means it should be less than or equal to 20. So where age should less than equals to 20, less than equal to student must not be older than age 20 if the student number is either between 3 and 5 or the student number is 7. where a is equal to this, and student number between 3 and 5, or student number is 7, equals to 7. So my first condition is this, and second is saying your query should also return student older than age. Query should also return the student which is older than 20, but in that case they must have a student number that is at least 4. So either my query should return this or this one. So here I will use the age greater than 20 and student number that is at least 4. At least 4 means it should be 4 or greater than 4. It can be equal to 4 and greater than 4. So this is the how we solve the queries, and I now execute this query, and this is my result. So now we comes on the fifth query. So my fifth query is saying write a query that display the name and age of the top 3 oldest student. So for this we will use dense rank function, because if we use limit function, suppose that here if I will fetch, if I use limit 3, so it will give me the give me only 3 rows. It's not going to give me top 3 oldest students. So the right way of solving this type of query to using dense rank function. So here I will use select student name, age, dense rank over order by age descending, and here I will give alias name to this. I will give alias name rank from students. So here I will use subquery. So now I will make the table to this whole process, and I will assign the name of this table. Suppose that I assign T, and now I will select star from this table where rank, so where age of the top 3 oldest students. So here my rank should be less than or equals to 3. So it should be less than equals to 3. So now I will execute this query. Okay, here students students. So now here it gave me top 3 oldest student, and if I use so here I use dense rank function. Dense rank function basically what does it do? It assign the unique value to the unique row. And actually I have discussed this concept in my previous video. So if you want to understand the dense rank function, so check out this in the playlist, and I hope it's clear to you. So thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.